Hi everybody, I'm going to take you through the process of starting a new book with Boomwriter today. So first, make sure that you're signed in by clicking on Login and Schools, Teachers, and Educators. And first that's going to take you to a dashboard with all of your books and what you're working on. From here you can manage a start or do a quick start book. The Manage tab is handy because you can view previously published books, but also you can see that the left-hand menu gives you a view of your books and helps you to create a new one when you click on it. So from anywhere, basically, you can create a new book. When we click on the new book button, we're taken to where we choose our story start. Here you can search or browse, and so I'm going to select the first one just as an example, Thanksgiving Pageant Takeover. And you can see that it has the first chapter for you to read, and if you like it, you can just scroll to the end of that chapter and select New Book. One thing that's great about Boomwriter is the right-hand notes that are going to walk you through this next setup page. And this setup is where you define the book type, working title, max words per chapter, and authors that you previously created. And you've got a duration for a chapter count, voting days, and finally guidance notes. And so then after you set all of that, you're going to click on Save and Start. First I want to show you when you click on Add Authors, this is where previously when you added all of your authors, this is where they're going to be. So I'm going to click on all of these guys here, Add Authors, and now they are the people who are going to be writing the book. Competitions is how many chapters there are. Each chapter is a competition. Writing days, I want to set this to 1, and voting days I want to set to 1 also. Obviously, this is for the project that you're doing, but for your classroom, you can, how many ever writing days and voting days you want are what you would do. And then click on Save and Start. And you're going to be taken to the book dashboard. And it's kind of a control panel for just this specific book. And from here, you'll want to sign into your student accounts and create and submit some writing for each student so that you can see firsthand how the voting process works. Once you do that, you'll come back to this dashboard and you'll be able to see where they've submitted and where you've submitted and voted on writing for your students. So go ahead and do that and come back to the next video when you're done. Thanks.